Conversational AI is used to build virtual assistants like chat and voice bots. In this video, we're going to look at some examples of how you can use conversational AI. Within a company, chatbots can be used to improve internal communication. They can eliminate the time you need to wait for someone to send you the file you need right at a moment. Or maybe you forgot something. Ask your virtual assistants for another explanation. This is also useful in the process of onboarding new employees. Let's have a look at external communication. You can use your chat or voice bot for customer service. The virtual assistants will support your team and is available all around the clock to answer requests. If you analyze them and train your bot, it will get better over time and will be able to answer more questions on its own. Or you have an e-commerce business. You might use conversational AI to give product advice or to update your customers on the delivery status of their order. But voice assistants can also improve your own efficiency when making appointments, looking for information on the internet, or sending messages. You might already interacted with conversational AI like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Siri. If not, give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.